Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start in Chrome, tap the three-dot menu, then Settings. Do it now to reach search settings quickly. You need to confirm the Google account that enforces safe search because settings follow that account. Otherwise, you'll change the wrong profile. Once done, go to Google Services or Sync and Google Services. This is where safe search can be toggled. Keep your device PIN or Google password handy. Chrome may ask for authentication before allowing changes, and that prevents accidental toggles by others. Now you locate the Safe Search control inside Search Settings. Scroll to Safe Search Filters or a similarly named option. You'll see a toggle called Hide Explicit Results. Turn that off to allow unrestricted search results. If the toggle is grayed out, it indicates account-level controls. In that case, check Family Link or parental controls tied to this Google account. Also make sure Chrome and the Google app are updated. Older versions sometimes hide the setting. After changing it, Chrome may sync the preference across devices. Finish by confirming the toggle is off, then clear Chrome cache or restart the browser so searches update immediately. If Safe Search keeps returning, make sure you're signed into the same Google account that enforces it. Sometimes a school or work account imposes filters. If Family Link is active, open that app and remove the restriction or use the parent account to change settings. As a last resort, unlink and relink the Google account in Android settings to reset account-level preferences. Then reapply your desired setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.